Hey guys, today we're gonna take a look at this SSD drive, 512 gigs, 2.5. It's made by King Spec. It was a very interesting thing. As usual, when I go in the cheapo side, I go for the B&Y, which is these ones here. We all know they actually are quite reliable and they're good on price. But this I've never really seen before, and apparently they've been around since, what, 2007 or something they're saying on their site. But anyway, this was around $30 on Amazon. I don't know what to expect from it. I'm gonna test the speeds of it, and we'll let you know in this video. And the packaging, okay, the packaging is actually really good. And actually on the box here, it says 15th anniversary, 2007 to 2022. Okay, so I missed the mark. I bought it in 2023. This is the disc itself. Not much to see here except for the data here, whatever, P3 512, 2.5 SATA 3, 512 gigabytes, and all that yada yada yada. So now, let me plug it in. And here we go. Now we are in Blackmagic disk speed test. And let's go with the first one. Select target drive. We'll do the test on 5 gigs. And let's go to our King Spec. I guess it's this one here, right? Yes. Okay. And we'll hit start. And let's see what it says in here. So it looks like the speeds are, I would call it around 400 for write and read. Read a little bit less, but that's very interesting that the write is faster than the read. That's very interesting to me. And I'm gonna stop the test here. As we see, it's kind of lurking around the same speeds. And now let's go to our Samsung drive. I put it ADATA, but actually it's a Samsung. I wrote that by mistake ADATA. And let's start it. Just a little bit better, looks like. Not really extremely better. Well, sometimes that 100 megabytes or 60 megabytes matter if you're really running out of time. And I'm gonna stop it right here. And let's go target drive. Let's try my M.2 and hit OK. And let's see how the M.2 stacks against both of these. Okay, it's definitely better, and I don't know what it's doing. Why is it reading less? I don't understand. So the M.2 is a Samsung 960 or 970 Evo, whatever you call those. Okay, that's over a gigabyte, and it's dumping, going towards the 5 gigs. Yes, it is definitely way faster. So, King Spec actually did pretty good when you're comparing it to a Samsung SSD equivalent to it, which actually I'm very surprised. For 30 bucks, I did not expect that. 30 bucks is really not the speeds I'm expecting here. And let me test another one. This will be a hard drive. It's a Barracuda Black, or whatever you call those, 2 terabytes. I just throw games on it. This one, HDD 2 terabyte. Let me hit start. And as we see, yes, hard drives, mechanical hard drives, are kind of dead in the mud when you compare their speeds with SSDs or M.2s. And suppose the Barracuda is not the slowest, but as you see, yes, technology has changed a lot, and it's just one of those things that it's time to change it. But for games that I toss on it, I'm very happy with it. And let's get back to King Spec just one last time. One last time, King Spec. Right here, we give it another chance, and yes, it stayed at around that 400 that it had before, and yep, and the read around that 400 that was before. So what did I learn here? Well, I learned that actually it's not bad for 30 bucks, 512 gigs, and free shipping from Amazon. And no, I'm not sponsored by them or Amazon, but I just found it interesting design, I should say, on this SSD drive. It's one of those things that just looks beautiful. And now let me close the test and take the drive out. And I think this is actually very clever and beautiful design versus something like SanDisk which I like SanDisk, I'm not gonna lie. But design-wise, they went the extra mile to put this kind of lion or whatever that's supposed to be here on the King spec. And yeah, I think that was the video for today, guys. And thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. And we'll see you next time. Bye!